Hi, it's Jan D'Autry, and if you're looking to lose weight or keep it off, fresh herbs are a great way to season food without the calories. Well, today I'm going to share my very favorite clean eating cooking tip with you. It's a way to store fresh herbs for a very long time. Fresh herbs are fantastic, but they don't last a long time in the refrigerator. I mean, after a few days, your herbs just end up looking like this, limp. What are you going to do with them? So, here's the secret. We're going to turn your refrigerator into a greenhouse, and this is the effect. What I have in this ball jar with some water are all kinds of herbs. I've got parsley, basil, rosemary, thyme, and I've had these herbs in this jar in my refrigerator for about 3 weeks. So I haven't opened it up. Now I want you to see something here. What we've created, it's just simply a Ziploc bag, and I've got a rubber band around the bottom. I took all my herbs, put them in the jar, and then I sealed them with this Ziploc bag. And if you can see, there's condensation, and that's creating the greenhouse effect in your refrigerator. And I'm going to open it up, and I just want to show you what your herbs are going to look like for weeks and weeks and weeks, and you don't even need to change the water. You ready for this? I have not opened it up in a couple of weeks, and look at this. You have absolutely beautiful herbs at your disposal anytime you want. And you can put all sorts of herbs in the same jar. So again, I've got sage and parsley, rosemary, basil, a little bit of thyme, and this is going to keep, and then when I want it, all I do is pluck it off, put it back, put the bag, you could use any kind of baggie that you want, as long as it's sealed on the bottom. Just put that right in there. Give it a little bit of room here to create that condensation. You're going to put your rubber band right around the bottom to secure it, and you have a greenhouse, and this is going to help you with your clean eating. For more tips and great recipes for clean eating the Red Mountain way, visit redmountainweightloss.com.